Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Haylou Solar and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, let's press the side button to wake up the screen on our watch, and then press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, like this. And now we can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the watch faces, find the one you like and tap on it to apply it, like this. Quite simple. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.